tend to do better at staying consistent when I vlog on my phone versus when I have to vlog on my camera. I have to export to my computer, edit, versus on my phone, I can just do everything and just be lazy, basically. But good morning. Today is mommy and daughter, mini daughter day. So I'm taking her out for the day. So it's just gonna be her and I. And then I'm gonna grab something for us to eat and probably go to the grocery store to pick up some stuff for the weekend. Yes. And I also want to see some fall stuff that Hobby Lobby has. Well, I picked up a few pieces, but I still need 2 items I'm looking for. So I'm just going to take you guys along. Good morning, and let's go. Okay, guys, so I have the shorts, and it fit. I mean, I can button it. But when I button it, I just don't like the fact that it gives me this little pouch right here. So, unbutton it, and I got an elastic band here. I'm gonna loop it here and take it through the little buttonhole right here, and then loop it back over. That way, it gets to close, and I get a little bit of room in my pants, just in case I might eat or drink something. But it's button. That's a little hack for you guys. If you have, you're in between sizes and you want to wear your favorite pants, but you can't, and you know, just, I don't know. But I'm in baby girl's room. I just love her little feature wall over there. I have to finish it, but I am in the process of doing my island right now, and Mommy. I know, baby. I don't want you to join. I'm in the process of doing the island. I'm almost finishing it up. I have to edit a couple videos that shows me starting that, but those footage are on my camera. And anyone seen my fluffy slippers? I call them my fluffy slippers. You guys see my fluffy slippers? No? Oh, my siblings are calling me. I'll be right back. So we're at Hobby Lobby, and I just hopped out the truck and realized that my yellow string is like so obvious. I use a yellow hair tie. Traveling with a toddler is no easy feat. Like, I'm done with her. But I need to get a black tie for my thing. Am I the only one that don't lock her truck or vehicle with the key fob? I need to get some pieces from Hobby Lobby, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, guys, so we are back home, and I washed my truck, detailed it, and now I'm looking to figure out what it is that I want to do. Today's Friday, so I don't have to cook. I don't have to worry about that, but Rob wants me to cook him some ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling. I'm like, do I really love you that much to cook you that elaborate of a meal? I painted the cabinet. It's the same color. It's just a little bit off, but you can't tell. You really can't tell that that's a new color. It matched it perfectly well. If you don't know, 3 years ago I painted the island a chalk paint color from Target. They discontinued it, but it was chipping really bad. So I found an enamel paint, cabinet paint, which did fairly well on our uppers and lowers on this side, and it hasn't chipped. Only minor, like little places that I have to go in and touch up, but really minor compared to the island. The island was chipping really bad, so I was happy that I found a gray color in the enamel paint. So that's what I put on it. I just have to put the hardware back, put it on, and the island is complete. I will show you guys that in a reveal video once I decorate the kitchen. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a fall decor haul right now. I'm gonna record it right now, and then I'm gonna so stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna show you guys what I picked up from Hobby Lobby, Target, which I'm so excited because I found some pieces from the Heart and Hand collection that I've been wanting to get, and I was so surprised when I went in stores and they had it. And so I grabbed all of that. So now I have to pick a day that I'm going to clean my house and then take down all my summer stuff and start slowly do like really light, no pumpkins as yet, but just like florals and, you know, just neutral. And then later on when it starts to get a little colder, I can bring out the pumpkins and start adding them in little places and stuff. But anyways, let me go do that video and I will catch up with you guys later. Okay guys, so I'm done recording that video. My little helpers are helping putting stuff back. So I don't know if I'm gonna have you guys see that video before or after this one, depending on which one is ready first. I'll put it. But I'm gonna go tend to my garden in the back. I'm gonna show you guys a little update on that. Yeah, you can put that in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys a little update on that. I'm so excited and so proud of my garden. By the console table. So, those are dying because I barely water those up here. I need to water them, but they're dying. But I'm so excited. And then tomorrow, Rob is gonna build me a hammock stand, because his dad gave me a hammock several years ago, and it didn't come with a stand. So he's gonna put a hammock stand somewhere right here so I can lay out in front of my garden. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the update of my little vegetable garden. I have one cucumber. So far I've picked like 4 jalapenos off of my little trees and a banana pepper. So let me show you guys the update. All right, so this is my cucumber. Look at her, look at that. So I have one little cucumber. I was scared because I thought it was gonna, you know, like mutate the tomato, because it was going that way. It was going that way towards my peppers. So I had to wrangle it back this way because I'd rather it take over this way than to kill my peppers. It killed the little zucchini that was here, but this is my first year planting a garden, so next year I will do better. But I'm so proud of my one little cucumber. And then these are my banana peppers. This is my second batch from this one. This one haven't produced anything. This guy, he produced 3 peppers so far, and then he has 1 more. And then this guy, he just took off overnight, so now he has 4 peppers, and I think we had got 2 from that plant. So that's that. Still have my stuff laid out here from the last time, and I'm still working on this circle. Rob is supposed to dig up the dirt so I can put these borders in and finish off this little garden. But yeah, this is thing. And then I have another tree over here. This guy. I should have picked them. I usually pick them and eat them. But yeah, look at that. I was painting, so I had paint in my nails. It's not dirt, I promise. So good. Okay, so I'm working on 2 spaces. So far, I have that space over there, that table. I'm playing around with it. Once I have it figured out, I can take everything off and dust. But I like to play around with the floral, where they're gonna go, before I take everything off and wipe down and stuff like that. But try to figure out where I want things to be, and see how it flows. If it doesn't flow right and I don't like it, I'm gonna keep going. It takes me a while to get my house the way I want it. Rob's home. So I'll have to start early in order for me to get it perfect. But so far, I'm loving how it looks. Love it. And then of course I switched out the white chairs and set them over there, and then the metal, they're over here. I just love to change things. Rob knows this. I'm gonna take you. Hang on. Okay, guys. So it's the end of the night. I do want to show y'all one thing that I did pick up for my face. And where can I prop you guys up? I should have thought about that before I brought you guys in the bathroom, because I legit don't have anywhere to put y'all. So, let me see. I don't want my phone to fall in the toilet. We put frame on the mirror and it fell off. So we have big plans for this bathroom, but not right now. But we have plans. I say that all the time. I'm risking everything. I'm risking everything. All right. I think I found it. Nope. Guys, bear with me. Cause your girl is risking it all to show what y'all I picked up. So I have a really down-packed routine now that I've been away for forever. I have a nice little routine for my face. See my wrinkle? I will be 38 this year. Well, this month. Anyways, I got this guy. This is the Covergirl Easy Brow. You know I got it? Because I needed a sharpener. It comes with 2 brow pencils. And they're not the best. I got paint in my nails, so they're a bit jagged. But the ones I use are these. I use the NYX brown, and that's for my lid. This is my brow. This is my brow pencil, and as you can see, I need to sharpen it, but I couldn't find my sharpener to save my life, so I had to paid $4 for this. But well, it came with the 2 pencils, but that's all the sharpeners I could find. So this is ready for the morning. So I'm gonna chit chat with y'all while I take my makeup off, which I don't see my makeup remover. Yeah, found it. This is the one I'm currently using. This is the retinol one, and then I have the collagen, and then I have 2 more in the drawer. I don't even know what they are, but I use 2 of these, sometimes 3, and there's 30 in a pack, so it lasts me a good, well, I pay like $5 for like 6 of them. What is it? Yeah, $5 for like 6 of them. So just take my makeup off. But the reason why I brought you guys in here is because I got this. It's the Wonder Stick. It's a contouring stick. It's a highlight and contour stick, and you have the highlight and then this. So I am interested to try that tomorrow. In the morning, this is my new favorite foundation. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay. This thing matched me to a T. Before I was using, see, like I have a lot left. I was using the Tarte face tape, and it's not a perfect match, but in the winter time it matches my skin, so that's what I've been using. And then to cleanse my face, I use this bad boy. It's Dr. Song, and I use that to cleanse my face after I take off my makeup every single night. And of course I wash my face in the shower because I feel like that's the cleanest that I can get it. And then once I come out the shower, I use this guy. This is the Witch Hazel one, Rose Petal. I use that. And then I used to use a moisturizer. I used to use this, but I no longer use it anymore because I took it out of my face routine. I took it out, and so far I haven't been like breaking out since I took it out, so I'm scared to add it back in. So what I use the aloe vera gel, 97.7% pure. I use this on my face after I use the toner. And then after the toner, I use Youth or Dare on my face. After that, I use my Goodnight Baby, my Snail Mucin Power Essence. Good night, sweet pea. Love you. I love you. See you tomorrow, okay? So I use the, don't go up there. This is the CosRX Snail Mucus. I put this on my face. And then if I have like a breakout, like I have one little breakout right here and I have one up here. So I will put this on there. This is the 10% benzoyl peroxide gel. I'll put it on there and it kind of like take it away. And that's it for my face routine. And then in the mornings when I wake up, I put this on there. This is the Master Primer Base for my foundation. And then I do my face and that's it. Simple, simple, simple. I try to keep it really simple, and I try to make sure that my face is properly cleansed at the end of the evening, because if not, I get really bad acne. So I have to make sure that everything is taken off of my skin. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower. And yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me while I talk y'all ear off. Thanks for hanging out with me for the day. See, dirty, my third one. I like to go in with the third one just to make sure that I get everything, and I'm getting stuff off my face. And then after that, I kind of like wrap my hair up, put my hair up as high as I can get it. Take my clothes off, but I'm not gonna do that with y'all in here. And put my face cleanser on and go in the shower. That's literally it every single night. So I'll see y'all once I get up. Probably not, but yeah.
Turn it up, turn it up.